We're here in Wabash, Indiana. This driveway is so impassable. You're not going to be able to wait until all the thaw's out of the ground. It'll take a little bit to grade this out. Most likely potholes will still try to pop back because there is still frost on the ground. But this will get it to where they can at least drive down it. We're going to grade the edges over here to get the crown reshaped, get that lip broken down, and then grade it. Later on this year, when the customer's budget allows, we'll bring some limestone to put on this one. So you can see where this edge over here, I got it kind of whittled down. I'm going to slope the other edge over here as well. Then I'll start ripping the actual driveway, getting up underneath the potholes. No matter what, you're always going to end up with potholes. It's just the nature of having a gravel driveway. Having the right equipment, the right technique, the fix will last a lot longer. Portion of it finished out. I've had the slopes going right, so kind of some hilly ground. It is pretty much graded out. It's very wet, but doesn't grade very well. It'll dry out, then it'll start settling. Now reshape the drive. This driveway definitely needs more gravel, but you have to shape it before you put gravel in, or it'll just turn right back into what it was. Well, if you live in the Warsaw area, we do free quotes to most locations. Give us a call and see what we can work out. I guarantee you it'll be a lot more affordable than you think.